Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Achar, and this is our fifth episode of UiPath UI Element Automation series. So far, in this series, we have covered wide range of foundational UI automation topics. So in the first episode, we checked text box where we filled a form using hard-coded value with type into and click activity, and in the second episode, we check the box where we use multiple click activities to select item in a nested tray structure. And in the third episode, we check a radio button where we use check abstract for smart and conditional based selection. Okay, and in the fourth episode, we checked web tables, so where we added and edited records and extracted data using table extraction. Okay, so each video has built your understanding of your interaction in a structured way, right? So today we are diving into something new, that is mouse interaction type. Okay, so let's automate the button section from DemoQA. Okay, so you can see here we have three buttons, that is double click me, right click me, and click me. Okay, so when you click on double click, just one click, so it will not get means it will not getting any output, right? So but when you click double, so you will get a message here. Okay, so in the same way, when you click once on right click me, you will not getting anything. Okay, but you just right click and you will get a message here. Okay, and click me. This is a simple click me. Just click once and you will get a message like this. Okay, so let's create the process for that. So I will go to the UiPath Studio and let's click on process, and process name is buttons automation. Okay, so I'm taking use application and browser. Use application and browser to indicate the uh, browser. Okay, so with this URL, so I'm indicating the page, browser page. Just click. Okay, so inside do, we will add three separate action, one for each type of click. Okay, so first let's automate double click. So we have a activity that name is double click activity. Okay, so you can see in the UI automation mouse element double click activity. Okay, so I'm dragging here and I'm indicating the double click me. Okay, yeah, and I'm taking a log message to confirm success message appear, right? So I'm just taking the log message. Okay, so yeah, messages you have done a double click. Okay, and log level will be info because we are informing a user that we have done this way, uh, right? So for now, I will save this and run the file. Okay, so we will see what we will get. Okay, just go to the browser. It's not why. Yeah, so you can see here we got the result. That is, you have done a double click. Okay, and with the help of log message, you will get a message in the output panel. That is, which you which you mention in the log message. Okay, you can see you have done a double click. Okay, now next is uh, right click. Okay, but for right click we don't have any particular activity. Okay, so we can search right click, but you will not getting, means, so see, we are not getting any right click activity here. So for that we are using a simply click activity. Okay, so I'm just dragging here. Okay, and I'm indicating the right click me. Just indicate and the right click. Okay, and what is right click? When you click right on that button you will get a message, right? So go to the properties. Okay, and in the input portal, so see, you can see here input. Okay, and in the mouse button you will get three options: button left, button right, and button middle. Okay, so we are doing for button right, so just select button right here. Okay, and next is log message. Okay, message is what is the message for right click? You have done a right click. You have done a right click. Okay, and log level is info. Hmm? Next is okay. So for now we will save this and run the file. I'm refreshing the browser page, so we'll get the fresh output. Okay, so I'm just running the file. First double click me, next right click me. Okay, so just go to the output panel and you can see both are successfully done. Okay, just go to the browser and here you can see both message appears, right? So now the last is click me. Okay, so for that we are using a simply click. Okay, we don't have to do anything. Means we don't need any changes in a click activity here. So just take a click. Okay, and click. Okay, and next is log message. Okay, so I will take a message that you have done a click. Okay, and info. Hmm, okay, so here we are doing a single click. Okay, it is also called as dynamic click. Okay, so I am mm, mention here that is dynamic. Okay, and saving this and run the file. Okay, we will go to the browser and check all are done or not. Okay, so you have done double click, you have done right click, you have done a dynamic click. Okay, so all three messages are appearing here. So just go to the output panel to check it is successfully or not. Okay, so we got three messages, so it is successfully run. Okay, right? So here what we learned in this process. So we learn how to use double click, right click, and click activity. Okay, and how to capture confirmation message using log message. Okay, instead of log message, you can simply use get text. Okay, but I use log message here. Okay, and yeah,